Morning, buddy.
Fuck off.
Day 2. Getting ready to go and get the cars ready. Get out on track. Everybody's tired, pissed off, want to go home. I'm ready to go sand it. Well, track doesn't start until 9. Now we're just relaxing. Cars are ready. I think we got 2 laps on the tires that are on my car. And now we're just waiting for track to go hot. So we got people out there fucking driving around little side-by-sides and shit. Byron's out there talking to his girl and his kiddo. And then those other little hooligans talking crap.
I'm excited though to drive today.
Hopefully we can get Casey to rent a car.
Blowing my power steering on stage.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Shit, the other one lasted quite a bit of drifting around.
Oh my gosh.
Fucking on.
But goal today, do not crash. Second goal today, reverse entry this freaking corner. But I'm tired. I'm ready to go drive. And I'm ready to go home. I feel dirty and crusty, but this place is so much fun. It's a freaking vibe. If you ever get the chance to come out here, freaking do it, because there's no other track that's like it. It's freaking insane. Like, the carnage that is out here and just how dedicated you have to be to every single corner, it's completely wild. It is a driver's track for sure. So we'll get the cars ready, grab some water, eat some breakfast, and then we'll get on track, dude.
But yeah, no, it's really fun.
You daily it too?
Yep. This is my daily.
Dude, this is what's up, bro. You got the life.
It's fun, dude.
Are you rich or a lot of debt?
Both.
Okay, cool.
No,
You
I'm
only
not rich.
live once.
I still got law school loans.
Okay, cool, cool.
Oh my god. Holy shit, dude. Oh my god. Holy shit, bro. Hell yeah, bro. Get it. Get it. Oh my god. I dropped my...
So it has its own braking, so you never even have to hit the brake.
Yep.
Dude, that's fucking cheating. This guy's over here, I'm watching his foot, and the dead pedal never moves.
Yeah.
He's just on and off the gas.
No way.
Oh, no regen.
Do what?
It's no regen.
But it still has braking, right? Oh, it does.
In this, I turn everything off.
So how is it you're never having to...
Hell yeah, bro. Get it, get it, get it. Hell yeah, bro. Holy crap. Oh, that's what I did. That's pretty much what I did yesterday. But I was more around the corner before I stopped. All right, well, I've been chasing Byron down today. Now it's his turn to chase me down. Let's pray I don't fuck up. So, let's see what fucking happens, boy. Well, it's official. We've officially burned through all of the tires. Fucking grabbing doors. Everybody is tired, exhausted. We gotta unload everything off the trailer, load up Byron's car, and then load up my car, and then we're on our way home. I think AVS was a fucking success, dude. Fucking Byron was on my door. We had Marcel on my door. Another E30 on my door. I was on Byron's door, Marcel's door. It was a fucking blast, bro. Spun out a bunch, went off a bunch. Didn't wreck the car, so that's a fucking plus. So, anyways, we'll see you soon. What do you think of this weekend?
Badass, dude.
Badass?
Wish I drove more Saturday.
Give them a rundown of today. Today.
Some good laps, some good doors. Nothing broke all weekend except for a freaking power steering line.
And then tie rod.
A bulldozer, but nothing broke.
Yep. And I jumped my car off a corner too.
Pretty sick.
So I think it was successful, dude.
I definitely want to. I wish it was closer to home. But
Definitely. We'll be out here next time. So join us again. We'll see you on the next one.